Great things in the mighty name of Rastafari. You know, see. You know what concerned me in all of this? For a while it been concerning me now. A long time I did do a little video upon it, but I think upon Insta. You know, see. So I did ask why to Bob Marley children them. You get what I say? Where are they give back? Where are they giving back to reggae music, to Jamaica, to the culture, to Trenchtown, to where them come from, positively? You understand what I say? I mean come down with a pocket of money and come share out that, you know. Me mean is the Bob Marley Foundation, them can organize a charity whisper. If them have a foundation, them can organize a charity for just that matter, you know, to send back to school, children to school and watch it. And out of them pocket the money I come from. Just buy them fanfare across the world. You understand? Them can set up that and highlight certain things where I reach the youth, them and make certain things happen. You understand what I say? Where is Tough Gang production company? Where is Tough Gang distribution? You understand what I said? Them place the money matters, the money concern there in a reggae music. You see what I say? Right, you know, like me always say, America export and I make some of the most money out of reggae music. And Jamaicans did away with experience and things like that when I step towards them goal. You get what I say? Them get brain, them a get straight down a different pathway rather than feature back some energy in the music so that it can develop and benefit even the youth. Them. You'd have stronger producer, younger producer, and a whole heap of things would in turn benefit the wider community. You understand what I say? No youth could have eat. You know, see, the other day I see them give back them donate a school at St. Thomas, at St. Anne's. You know, you don't know, as a tribute to Bob Marley and things like that. And I say, see that I got to go and hold up. You know, one of them long time 1950s school where them build up with like a little one building and them part it in a tree. You know them type of school there, yeah, one of that. Well, look at me, I look at me, I say, find you here, so them I go recognize that as your father thing certain way. She out of fair pocket could have built a decent looking building, you know. As a like a, you know me I say, a contribution back to the community. Really and truly, Bob Marley children, them only thing me hear them make the news for scrape. Me not tell a lie. Me not know. Somebody have to educate me. Like me I said, the only thing me hear them make the news for scrape. No, I will always bear in mind, and you should also too, that the media choose to publish what they want to publish anyway. You understand what I say? Usually for create an agenda that satisfy their status quo. You understand what I say? So I am prepared to be corrected. I'm open for correction and objections on the issue. You understand what I say? But still, I don't think it's something that could have been hidden very much. So for instance, you know me I say, based on ability, based on resource from each one of Bob Marley children, them, me them not talk, all of them put together. You understand? They are not even second generation. They are the third generation. Bob Marley, Trenchtown, Ghetto Days generation when Georgia met the firelight. I think it's kind of selfish as Rasta people coming from where we now come from. It's be agreed type of thing. Like everybody has a suffer for themselves. And while he could have make more of an impression in a society, given the personality, the character where your father was, it's like you haven't dedicated anything to his nature, really, to the things that he championed. You understand? It's like, yeah, you know, see it. Really and truly, after you lot gone and your children them left, it's just what the national public have to commemorate or has commemorated Bob Marley with is gonna be left. Because you know, like you yourself, them children then themselves were touch him and feel him and talk to him. Them personally not left him, but them nobody know him like them. To be fair, them not done them don't impress me with any form of tributes to them father. You get what I say? I don't know none of them didn't sing a song about them father as a matter of fact. Have they? No, them sing over about them father song as tributes to him. You know, see. Build up a school, man. That don't build a school. Start a distributing company then where uno make money off of too because of that alone and no love. So that's get a youth of Jamaica can say a better, more prosperous reward out of them work. You get what I say? Something that's connected to them, something that's dedicated to the music. You understand? Be distributors so that some youth can have enough clout can create on their own distribution sites and things like that. In the interest of reggae music. All I want me at all, Bob Marley, Ziggy Marley, all I want to come like on eat the part of Jamaica about Uno, you know. Really and truly, like Uno know something about, some secret about the society or about the country at large, what we really don't know. You get what I say? I want to just now, I just be diplomatic and non-talk. You see, but you know what I say? From where you don't know. It's like, me know I understand how I deal it, but again, in nature, you don't know, you know, see it, like me always say, a man, actions always define him, You know, see it. A man action always define him, Rasta. You know, see it. You don't give back nothing. Nobody not ask for no handout, but anything you want to do, it have to be as like a monumentizing of old man. None of uno, me not say none of uno in regards to the father. I can't say nothing. What uno set up in memory of Bob Marley, Rasta. I man that disgraceful, me not like that. That come like a big greed and money grabbing a go on. You just a suck off for the man name. Yeah, I'm a father, but the man greater than that. The man surpass that. The man's father for a generation worldwide. You understand what I say? You don't have nobody don't really have nothing for say well then. You don't see it. Probably if you don't have more of a role in locally, the music would have definitely boy, Jano. I disappointed in that one. You know see. I'm not a father disappointed now. Hold on. Especially see that I was going to hug up a rusty school. A rusty iron one school. And I talk about, yeah, Bob Marley building and thing like that. And it's a disgrace, man. I eat that thing, that sweet money that for you, for build up a decent looking building for say, yeah, I'm call it Bob Marley, all age or primary or whatever. Sweet money that. You know see, you watch it. A big scrape and a scrape. Where it a teach you, Sir Rasta? Share, like, and subscribe, you know. You don't know. More bless.